If you want to create unlimited videos, let me show you the trick. You need to go to GeminiGen.ai. Here you can log in with your Gmail account and it will give you 10 credits. But let me show you without using any credits how you can freely create a video. So for that you need to go into the studio section, and here there is an option. Like here you can choose the free version. Either you want to use a Veo or Grok or Meta, you can choose that. Here you will see the free version, and here you need to provide the prompt like create video of baby dancing or something. You can generate prompt from ChatGPT or other AI tools as well. Here you can choose the orientations whichever you want to create, and I will suggest you to go with high or standard from here, and make sure that you are on the 6 seconds only. And like once you go over there, you can see that for creating this video you have 0 credits that will be utilized, but you have already have 10 credits. So once you click on the generate with Grok, it will start generating a video, and you need to wait for that. It will show the progress over here, and once it will be ready you can see that. So let's wait for that. So here you can see that video has been generated, and now once you click on this you can see the video. And from here you can download this video as well, so that you'll get a video without any watermark or anything, and you can generate as many as video you want.